Podcast Bites.
What happens to your body or your brain when you meditate? What are some of the benefits on the upside? We know that what the damaging effects stress has, but what are the positive effects when you get rid of that stress?
Yeah, it's really exciting because we're living in this day and age where neuroscience can prove not only that meditation is good for us, but how different types of meditation impact the brain differently. So in mindfulness, where we're directing our focus, where someone's guiding you through, or you have a free app or something, a small part of the brain lights up, but very, very bright, which is different than in Ziva meditation, where the whole brain lights up, but not as bright. So it's cool because the type of meditation that I teach is very restful, it's kind of lazy, it's kind of surrendered. And so what's happening in the brain looks similar to how the practice is.
Right.
And the cool thing there is that when the whole brain lights up, you're increasing neuroplasticity, which is the brain's ability to change itself. And you're also strengthening something called the corpus callosum, which I'm sure your folks are familiar with. But it's that thin white strip, the bridge between the past and future and present moment. It's the bridge between your critical and creative mind. It's the bridge between your masculine and your feminine. And so I'm sure your folks know, but the reason why I think you'd want a fat corpus callosum is that it allows you to come up with all those creative problem-solving ideas when it counts.
Yeah, and you notice the people who are just really quick thinkers and they're funny and they're able to make those connections because it's like a bridging station.
Yes.
And which is amazing. So meditation helps with that. It also helps. I mean, I'm reading things that it helps to, reduce your biological age. I mean, because we know stress, I mean, what does it do? I mean, like to people, I mean, it ages them.
Yeah, if you want proof that stress ages the body quickly, look at any president the day they take office and that same president 4 years later, they all age a decade.
Right.
Now conversely, when you start meditating and flooding your brain with dopamine and serotonin, which are bliss chemicals, which feel nice and they're alkaline in nature, you can actually reverse your body age by somewhere between 8 and 15 years, depending on which study you're reading.
And who doesn't want that? Who doesn't want to be able to have less stress, accomplish more, and then just
and look hotter.
That's incredible.
Avocado, motherfucker.